Welcome to Peter Explain Mathematics. Today under algebraic expression, we are considering substitution, where you exchange values for variables. We are having three questions we have one question, but it has some questions underneath. So of which we use each and every one of them to explain what substitution is. Let's start with question Roman figure 1. Question says, if x equal minus 4, y equal 5, z equal minus 0.5, n equal 10, and n equal to 0, evaluate the following. So solution to number Roman figure 1, we have zn plus xyz. So what is the value of z according to the question? Minus 0.5, open bracket, n. What is our n? Our n is 0, okay? Plus x. What is x? Minus 4. Y is 5. Y z is minus 0.5. Okay? Minus 0.5 multiplied by 0 gives 0. Plus multiply minus, that gives us minus. Minus multiply plus, that gives us minus. Minus multiplied by minus is still plus, okay? 4 multiplied 5, that's 20. 20 multiplied by half. Don't forget that 0.5 is half. So 20 multiplied by half, that is 10. 0 plus 10. Question Roman figure 1. Let's go for Roman figure 2. Our x is minus 4 raised to power 2. Z is minus 0.5 divided by y minus 9. What is y? Y is 5 minus 9. Okay. So minus 4 raised to power 2 is minus 4 multiply minus 4 multiply by minus 0.5 divided by 5 minus 9. Minus multiply minus, that's plus. Plus multiply minus, that's minus. 4 multiply for 16. 16 multiplied by 0.5. Don't forget that 0.5 is half. So 16 multiplied by half, that gives 8. Okay? 5 minus 9, that's minus 4. Minus divided by minus, that gives plus. 4 is a factor of a. 4 goes here 1, 4 here 2. So our final answer is plus 2. Better still, say 2. That's our final answer for this particular question. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to Peter Explain Mathematics. Share this channel with your friends. You have a lot to gain from watching this channel as far as mathematics is concerned. So let's substitute the value for the unknowns. Because of this multiplication sign, let's create a big bracket. So we have 3x, 3 open bracket, x. What is our x? Minus 4, okay? Minus y. What is y? Y is 5. And n is 10. Then don't forget the big brackets. We have 2m here. What is n? N is 10 minus y is 5, but it is y 5 square. Okay, so minus outside, plus and minus, that is minus 3 multiply 4 minus 12, minus times plus minus, minus times plus minus 5 multiplied by 10, that's 50, divided by 2 multiply 10, 20, minus 5 multiply 5, 25. So minus 12 minus 50, that gives us minus 62. 20 minus 25, that is minus 5. That's minus 5. Minus 5. Minus times minus, that's plus 62. Plus 62 divided by minus 5. Minus, plus divided by minus, minus. How many 5 do you have in 62? That is 12. Remainder 2 over 5. Our final answer for this particular question is minus 12 whole number 2 over 5. Thanks for watching Peter Explain Mathematics. Subscribe, watch, and share with your friends. Thank you.